For 100 years, Krishna was away from Vrindavan. Krishna gave the assurance, I will come back quickly. Don't worry. The gopis were trying to stop him from leaving Vrindavan. They were just desperate to stop. Some gopis were holding the rein of the chariot, horses. Some gopis were pulling the chariot. We won't let you go. Some gopis laid down in front of the wheels of the chariot. And some gopis were beating up Akrura. You want to take Krishna and we'll never let you do that. So the gopis were in such a desperate situation. So Krishna assured them, don't worry, I'm just going there with a mission. The king has invited me, so I have to go. So don't worry, I'll come back. So Krishna, that way, has many wonderful qualities. One of his qualities is, he breaks his vows. His words sometimes don't have any value. That's why when Krishna wants to make some promise and reassure fully, he makes the commitment through his devotee. Because his words may fail, but his devotee's words will never fail. Therefore he says, Konteya pratijanihi name bhakta pradashyati. Arjun, you declare. I won't say it. If I say it, then people may think that I'm just another bluff. So you say it, that my devotees will never vanquish. So for 100 years, Krishna didn't go back. And on the occasion of solar eclipse, Surya Grahan, it's a custom that seekers of piety, people go to Samanta Pancha, Kurukshetra, to take bath. So many people went to Kurukshetra on the occasion of solar eclipse to take bath. And the gopis also went, the residents of Vrindavan also went to take bath. And Krishna also went. So they took bath, and the next day they are about to leave. And then the residents of Vrindavan got the news that Krishna and Balaram were there. So they immediately ran to meet Krishna and Balaram there. By the time Krishna was already on his chariot, he was also about to leave. So they arrived there. And everyone was naturally very excited, very happy. But Radharani was not. Radharani's mood was, this is not Nandalala. Nandalala, my Krishna, he wears a peacock feather on his head. But this person is wearing a crown. My Krishna wears a yellow garment. And this person is wearing royal robes, a royal dress. My Krishna wears flower garland made of forest flowers. And this personality is wearing necklaces made of most precious gems and jewels. My Krishna carries a flute, and this one is carrying a bow and arrow and sword. And where I meet him, there's a solitary place on the bank of Jamuna. But this place is full of so many people, so much noise, so many horses, so many elephants. The elephants are trumpeting, so much noise. The horses are whining, and people are clamoring, so much noise. This is not where I wanted to see him, and not this is the way I wanted to see my Krishna. So the residents of Vrindavan, Radharani's devotees, could understand Radharani's mood. So what did they do? They got hold of Krishna's chariot. The horses were already harnessed. Along with the horses, they started to pull Krishna's chariot. Balaram was there, he's also their friend. Balaram's chariot also was being dragged. And the sister cannot be left alone. So take her also. To where? To So that is Rath Yatra festival. From Kurukshetra, Krishna, Balaram and Subhadra are being drawn towards Vrindavan, where he will meet with Srimati Radharani. So Gundicha temple is actually Vrindavan. So that is the Rath Yatra festival.